10 cringy actions na ginagawa ng mga babae that's doesn't give you value. Okay, girls? I've done this and mukha akong And I want you guys and girls to know that I don't recommend this because para din sa self-image nyo yan. Okay? If you wanna know all about it, here we go! Number 1, yung mga sinasabi ng mga babae na, I'm not like other girls' attitude. Not like the other girls. I am unique. Wala kang mahahanap na babaeng katulad ko. Really, walang mahanap na babaeng katulad mo. Pero kaya kang palitan agad. Just joking, but I mean is, be humble. If you are really not like the other girls, they will know it. They will say how unique you are. Na hindi mo na siya kailangan i-shout sa mundo na how unique you are and how interesting you are and how riveting you are. You to know that you're special, hindi mo kailangan sabihin na I'm a special girl. I'm a unique girl. No. Because people will naturally know it without you needing to broadcast it. Second, yung lahat na lang nasa online, lahat ng away sa pamilya, pinopost, lahat ng away sa kapatid, sa friends, pinopost, lahat ng LQ sa relationship, pinopost. Okay, I'm a social media person and I share you guys a little bit about my life. But the thing is guys, hindi nyo alam what's happening in my real life. You just guys know about 4 to 5 minutes of my life because nagsasalita ako dito sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa Facebook, pero hindi nyo alam what's going on. But because I value the privacy of the people I value, and kapag nagkaroon ako ng away with them, kami lang din magfi-fix. And hindi nakakatulong yung pag-post sa social media ng away. Hindi mauayos ng social media yan. Because pag pinopost mo yung away mo, ni-welcome mo sa mundo na bigyan nyo ako ng opinion dahil hindi ako marunong mag-desisyon. Gusto nyo ba yon? It's cringy because private matters are supposed to be private and you're just opening doors for unsolicited opinions na mga hindi naman kailangan yan gawin. Hindi naman kailangan yan advice because wala naman siya sa posisyon mo. So if I were you, share a normal thing on social media like your travels, share mo yung mga achievements mo, i-share mo yung mga kunya nagluluto ka ng recipes, that's really good, or your outfit, or your gym, or your workouts. Maraming pwedeng i-share, but I really am against sharing yung mga personal na baho and away sa social media. I did it, wala akong napala. So girls, huwag nyo nang ulitin yung mga mistakes na yan because nag-i-invite lang kayo ng mga hindi kailangan ng opinions, okay? Third thing na very cringy is babaeng ang hilig mag-humble brag. Same to sa lalaki, pero gito kasi ang humble brag ng babae. Hala, ang pangit ko today, diba? Girl, ang pangit ko. Oh my God. Knowing that she has the best face in the world, the best body, like, gusto lang niyang humingi ng validation sa'yo na maganda siya. Cringy because a woman with value, a woman with self-worth, doesn't need to ask for validation from anyone. Dapat alam mo na yan. And it doesn't mean na you need to ask for people na kailangan mo insultuin yung sarili mo. So, they would parang i-reverse yung insult mo sa'yo pabalik. Okay? Number 4 na mga very, very cringy things is magawa ka ng drama nang wala namang dahilan. Gusto mo lang makipag-away. For example, kasama mo yung friend mo sa labas, let's say. Tapos, biglang, hindi ka lang niya na kausap ng 1 minute. You'll take it so offensively. Like, mga ganun scenarios. Like, pwede namang, girl, sorry, I forgot to talk to you for 1 minute. But again, what was I saying? You can say it, but gusto mong magalit, gusto mong ma-offend, gusto mong i-big deal at gusto mong magkaroon kayo ng away, gusto mo, parang gutom ka sa drama, gutom ka sa riff, gusto mo yun. It's very cringy because I'm not saying to don't have boundaries, but I'm saying have proper values and people are human and people are, they make mistakes and it doesn't mean na kailangan maging last life na yon, okay? Number 5 or number 6, number 5 na very cringy na ginagawa ng mga girls is papanggap silang helpless or mahina. Like, ang bigat naman ng bag ko, pwede pang buhatin mo. Girl, the problem is, naaamoy yan ng people around you and you look ridiculous. The reason you look ridiculous is because people know that you're not that weak. You can say it kindly na, I would appreciate it if you can carry my bag kasi marami akong dala. You can be direct. Hindi mo na need mag-indirect na, oh my God, ang bigat ng bag ko, knowing na wala namang laman yan, okay? Kasi nakakapang-cute yan. Maraming naiinis sa ganyan. Kasi you're indirectly, like, nagpapabebe ka. Nagpapabebe ka. Pwede ka magpabebe in private, but in public, guys, it makes you look like you're a kid. When you're not a kid, you're a woman. You're a woman of substance. You should not be doing that. Number 6 na cringy thing is, kayo ng kapwa nyo babae. Ito na siguro yung pinaka-cringy na gagawin ng isang babae is, alam nyo, pag nag-aaway kayo ng kapwa nyo babae, binabash nyo online, binabash nyo in real life, inaano nyo sa workplace nyo, binabash nyo, nananapak kayo ng babae, sinisigawan nyo, binabastos nyo, walang nagbe-benefit, talo ka and talo siya. Akalain nyo yun, diba? Kapwa nyo babae, inaaway nyo, kapwa nyo, parehas tayong may ganito, tsaka may ganyan. Tapos, nagbabastusan tayo ng malala. Isipin nyo yun. Hindi ko sinasabing lahat ng babaeng mabait, pero I'm just saying, walang point makipag-away sa babae dahil parehas ang babaeng more emotion. So if I were you, take it very calmly, take it very logically. If meron kang beef with other girl, wag kang sasabay sa drama niya. Be very calm, like, okay, can I know what's your problem? Because, okay, so what happened? So what's our solution? Like, be very calm. Because fighting with a woman, from a woman, never gonna finish yan. It's gonna take years and years and years. Okay? So, my 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm gonna make a part 2.